I don't know if there's any more iconic Miami image than a white pre-merger 500 sec AMG under the palms in this beautiful weather today. This is our newest addition to our available cars for sale. AMG pre-merger 500 sec Euro model, imported in period, presumably by Ogara Hess, as our previous 500 sec. Beautiful car, timeless, pillarless design by Mercedes Benz, genuine AMG body kit, genuine AMG Penta wheels wrapped around Pirelli Cinturatos or Cinturatos, Recaros seats, AMG headers, AMG white springs. This is the Holy Grail, the 9 yards. Everything that you can expect with all the stamps and all the correct pieces. This beautiful white over light gray, full leather interior, factory owner's manuals, beautiful leather, luxurious appointments, Recaro seats, power seats, AMG steering wheel, not a single crack on the dashboard, beautiful paint, very original car, original lacquer. It's not a 3-stage paint work. AMG stamped exhaust by Sebring, which is absolutely correct for these cars. Just phenomenal. Everything around it is amazing. Headliner is in very good shape. The rear seats are very soft. The Recaro seats, the condition is amazing. And the AMG tuned engine, of course, with a matching gray keyring. But listen to this. That's a sound of a proper engine. Wood grain is also amazing. Additional wood on the doors, and let's hear the engines for your enjoyment. Nothing nicer than a German tuned V8 with a full exhaust with headers and everything you can order from AMG. Amazing sound, great performance, great suspension, great behavior, just phenomenal. I mean, this car is very original. It's been in storage for many years at a personal collection with several other AMG cars, and it's just beautiful. I love this car. This is something that whoever takes this car home is taking something very special, very unique, and a great car. If you have any questions, call me. My number is 305-443-7626. You can follow us at RMC Miami on Instagram or our website rmcmiami.com. Thank you so much for watching and enjoying with me this beautiful car today.